It turned out quite well, I think. Today we will prepare another type of pancake. We will need sugar, Toban chili sauce, tomato ketchup, cumin, oyster sauce and salt. And we've already prepared our spring onion and garlic. First we make the sauce. So we're going to take 1 spoon of Toban. Now some sugar. Some tomato ketchup. Cumin. Oyster sauce. And some salt. You can also add sesame, it will taste nice, or I don't like it personally, so we're missing it out. Now we give it a mix. Next we cook the sauce. When the pan is hot, we add our oil. When the oil is hot, we add in our onion and garlic. Give it a stir. When you can smell the onion and garlic, now we add in our sauce. After 2 minutes, take off the heat. We put it back in the bowl. We're going to use that later. Now it's pastry time. We're using puff pastry today because we want it to be more crispy. So first, remove the packaging. Spread it out, and we're going to divide it into 4 quarters. Add our spring onion. Now add a small amount of oil on the top. Use the edges to mix the oil in. Right, now we need to fold them into parcels. Separate slightly. So we need to fold this from 3 by 3 down to 1 by 1. We want the centre to be thicker. Fold. Fold these 2 in. And now fold over the top. Squeeze the sides. Done. And repeat 4 times. And done. Now we need to roll each one out as flat as we can. Put some oil on the chopping board, just a little, just so it doesn't stick. We roll it out. Try to get in a circle if you can, so it fits the pan nicely. You want it to be about this thin. So when our pan is hot, we add in the pancake. Now you cover it with the lid to make it more crispy. Oh, that looks good. When it's yellow on one side, we turn it over. Now we add in some of our sauce. Be sure to cover all of the pancake with the sauce. Now cover again. Right, this should be enough. Let's see. Turn over again. Now it should be done. Oh, lovely. Now add some spring onion and done. Can't wait to try it. Very good. I hope. What do you guys think? Does anyone have any ideas what I can cook next? Something more challenging. This was a little bit easy.